500. How's your day? Where are you?
Fine.
Very good.
Kahit haggard na.
Very good yan. Hi there guys and gals. One lovely morning to each every one of you. How are you all doing? 500 pesos. Day 88 of not waiting for a week before I exchange my coins into Philippine peso paper bills. Thank you Lord for these wonderful blessings. Road to 1 million peso saving challenge. Do the same thing, okay? Earn, save, invest on your own. Not in any networking or in any pyramiding scams. Not too good to be true promises. Business transactions or any business proposals. Avoid that. Otherwise, when you got failed, you will feel upset, sad, devastated, mad, angry, and whatever kind of feelings that you're having. And then expand and enjoy. Bye for now. Road to 1 million peso saving challenge.